morning, St. Clair. I'm Trey.
And I'm Robbie. Today is September 24th, 2018.
This is the Bulldog Breakdown, where we break down what's going on at St. Clair High School.
First up, this week's person of St. Clair is junior Alana Hinson.
Over the summer, Alana got to represent USA, and Coach Shear speaks about how he's proud of this accomplishment.
I was very encouraging for her, and I was extremely proud of the fact that she was willing to do that and, put herself out there, because you may not make it, and that's always a scary thing. One of the things that gives her and a big advantage is she can play more than one spot. She's very energetic. She's always coming to practice and games, high energy, high positive attitude. She cares about one thing, and that's the name on the front of the jersey. Nothing else matters, so I think that brings a lot to the table for her. She works extremely hard at being a better player, shooting, ball handling. She plays a lot in the summer, so she really has shown a lot of commitment and work towards the goals she's wanting to get, which is to be able to play in college.
Well, yeah, everyone thinks basketball is the same everywhere, but it's not. Even just simple rules were different. I played in the Bahamas. That life there is a lot harder than here. The equipment they use to practice and stuff was very minimal compared to what we get. It's definitely going to build my confidence, and I'm going to be a lot stronger when I play, and I'll be a lot smarter, because I know there's people out there that are going to be bigger than me when I play, so it made me smarter and that I can get around them.
She's doing. I think she's on a great path. I think she's got a great chance to continue playing after high school.
Next, we catch up with college advisor Miss Sullivan in the College Corner.
Today in the College Corner, Miss Sullivan tells us about the importance of creating an FSA ID and when to start applying to scholarships.
So FSA IDs are essentially your login and password to use the FAFSA. Both the student and the parent will need an FSA ID. First step to the process of filing the FAFSA. Can't start the FAFSA unless you have your FSA ID created. And students and parents can only make this account once because it does link with the social security number. On the 25th during parent-teacher conferences, I'm going to be up at the school helping seniors and their parents make their FSA IDs. I'm getting a lot of questions about when is a good time to start applying for scholarships. There are a lot of different types of scholarships. So we have institutional scholarships and private scholarships. Institutional scholarships are scholarships that are offered by the universities and colleges in which you're applying to. Private scholarships, these are kind of any other category. So local organizations, national organizations, so the St. Clair local scholarships are considered private, but this is a good opportunity for students to be able to get some more funding for college. So for seniors, I have a list of scholarships that they can apply to on Naviance under the colleges tab. If you don't know how to find these scholarships, you can go to my College and Career Advising Google Classroom, which I invited all the juniors and seniors to, and under the classwork category there is scholarships. And I think the link is scholarship applications, and you click that and it'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to log into Naviance and how to find those scholarships.
Southeast Missouri State University admissions representative Olivia Snare will be in the library during advisory today, September 24th. Popular majors at CMIL include nursing, education, cybersecurity, agriculture, and health management. This week's club spotlight is Art Club. Everyone is invited to attend regardless of artistic ability.
If you like being creative, join Art Club. Meetings are the second and fourth Wednesday of each month from 2:15 to 3:30.
Art Club is a group that's for people who just like to get together and do art. They don't have to have an art class. We just get together and we do some fun contests. We do some service projects and some things like that, but it's just for people who enjoy art, want to do some drawing or want to do some painting or some things like that, even if they don't have an art class. In the past, we've worked closely with the chamber on the window painting, and we try to get other groups involved as well, and we do a holiday window painting. Right now, they're working on a project for Mr. Garmer. They're painting a map for him. We've been approached by the Saddle Club to do some face painting at some of the events that they have. And so it's little things like that. We just kind of start off the year and see who wants us to do something for them and kind of go from there. I'd like to see them be more visible in the community. I think the community school connection is really important, and if we could grow that window painting contest, if we could grow the kind of connections that help connect the community and the school, I'd like to see it going that way. They don't have to be artists. I'm not expecting to have a whole club full of Picassos, but I'd like for them to at least enjoy, art and working with each other.
Our club needs more members, and it provides a way for people to express their creativity, and a lot of people find it more like another family. It could be who you are or anything. You get to help around the school and do different projects and have fun.
Any student, teacher, or staff that would like to add a veteran's photo to the slideshow is welcome to submit a digital or hard copy to Master Sergeant Cohen no later than October 15th, 2018. Previous submissions are still on file.
Congratulations to the 2018 homecoming candidates. Next up, we introduce you to this year's Homecoming King and Queen nominees.
Hi, my name is Ryan Herman. I'm a Homecoming King candidate and I run cross country.
My name is Josephine Anderson. I'm a Homecoming Queen candidate and I run cross country.
I'm Luke Fedderson. I'm running for King candidate and I play football.
Hi, I'm Desi Yorkman. I'm a Homecoming Queen candidate and I play softball.
Hey, I'm Conley Bursey and I am running for Homecoming King and I play football.
Hi, my name's Hannah Barrett. I'm a Homecoming Queen candidate and I'm in the band.
Hi, my name is Trey Tinker. I'm running for Homecoming King and I'm the president of Pep Club and an active member of Drama Club.
Hi, I'm Rachel Kennedy. I am a Homecoming Queen candidate and I play softball.
My name is Tanner Durham. I'm running for Homecoming King and I play football.
Hi, I'm Jade Wilson. I'm running for Homecoming Queen and I'm a member of FBLA.
Hi, my name is Timmy Hoffman. I'm running for Homecoming King and I play football.
Hi, my name is Claire Seal. I'm running for Homecoming Queen and I run cross country.
Hi, my name is Bailey Gardner. I'm running for Homecoming King and I do cross country.
My name is Aaron York and I'm running for Homecoming Queen and I also run cross country.
My name is Clemente Ramos and I'm running for Homecoming King and I play football.
My name is Hannah Macklett. I'm running for Homecoming Queen and my current sport is volleyball.
My name is Jacob Hawkins. I'm running for Homecoming King and I play football.
My name is Madison Hustero. I'm running for Homecoming Queen and I run cross country.
The homecoming dance will be semi-formal and will take place on Saturday, October 6th. Guest forms are available in the office and must be submitted by Wednesday, October 3rd.
The local library has recently underwent renovations and an expansion. The grand opening was Saturday, September 22nd.
St. Clair Library Branch Manager Cara Bell tells us more.
The St. Clair branch of the Scenic Regional Library is located at 515 East Springfield Road. The library offers many resources for high school students.
Well, we have a lot of services that are really attracting the students. We have 2 study rooms that allow the students a private place to study. So those have been used every day after school by students. And we also have the teen area, which is a dedicated area for the teens to just kind of hang out. There's really neat seating over there. There is a TV over there with Xbox on it. I miss working with kids, but I don't have to miss them too much because I see kids that I used to teach every day. They come in after school every day, and I see kids that graduated that I used to have in the classroom, and so that's been really cool. Well, one of the great resources that I don't know that everybody knows about is tutor.com. So if you have a library card from Scenic Regional Library and it's in good standing, and you know the number, you can go online. So if you have a device, and most of the students have a Chromebook, and you have internet access, you can go online and log in to scenicregional.org and go to our online resources and go to tutor.com. And it's after school hours till 10:30 or 11 o'clock at night. And a certified teacher will help you out with your homework issues, whether it be math or English or social studies, any of those things. And they'll go into like a study room, a virtual study room, and help you out.
And now, Trey and Coach Hauser with sports.
This week we interviewed Coach Ted Brinker and Junior Calvin Henry on their upcoming soccer season.
This year our goals are to play well in conference and win conference, and to play well at the end of the year, so when we roll into districts, we're playing our best soccer and give us a chance to win a district championship. This year we have a lot of seniors that make a difference for us, Noah Richardson being one of them,
Logan Adams being one of them. These are guys that played here for 4 years, and they make a big difference. Ian Grotzer, Zach Walters, Tyler Hall, and Dakota Romanowski are the other seniors that provide a lot of leadership and a lot of experience for our varsity team, and without them, it would be a different team for sure.
I think that we've become better teammates to each other. I think that we give our 100% effort every game, no matter what's going on. And I just think, as a team, we continue to improve each season, and I just can't wait to see what we can do moving on.
This week's home games include on Monday, softball and JV football, Tuesday, softball and soccer, Wednesday, just soccer, and then Thursday, volleyball.
The St. Clair varsity volleyball team had a busy week. They won Monday's match against Grandview 2-0 and won Tuesday's match against New Haven 2-0 as well. But they ended up losing Thursday's match against Pacific 0-3. The Lady Bulldogs also battled in a tournament Saturday. They tied their first match against Pattonville 1-1, but they lost their second match against Festus 0-2. For soccer this week, the St. Clair varsity team lost Monday's game against Fredericktown by a score of 0-6, as well as losing Thursday's home non-conference game against Washington by a score of 0-9. For softball, the St. Clair varsity team lost Thursday's home conference game against Union by a score of 2-10. And for football, the St. Clair team lost Friday's away conference game against Union by a score of 14-36.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you on the next episode of the Bulldog Breakdown.